Everyday English expressions. Get a hold of. To contact someone. Or to obtain something. I tried to get a hold of my friend, but his phone was off. She finally got a hold of a ticket to the concert. Get along with. To have a good relationship with someone. Rani really gets along with her classmates. Do you get along with your new neighbor? Get better. To improve in health, skills, or situation. Don't worry, you'll get better after some rest. His English speaking has gotten better in just 3 months. Get lost. Meaning 1. To lose your way. Meaning to rudely tell someone to go away. We got lost while finding the museum. He told the annoying man to get lost. Get nowhere with. To make no progress. I'm getting nowhere with this homework. He keeps arguing with his boss, but he's getting nowhere. Give rise to. To cause something to happen. Heavy rains gave rise to floods in the city. His rude comment gave rise to an argument. Go Dutch. To share the cost, especially of a meal. Let's go Dutch at the restaurant tonight. They always go Dutch when they travel. Go wrong. To fail. Or not happen as planned. Something must have gone wrong with the computer. The plan went wrong because nobody listened. Have a point. To say something correct. Or reasonable. You have a point, we should start earlier. She has a point about safety rules. Nothing to do with. Means not connected. Not related. Or not involved. This problem has nothing to do with you, don't worry. My sickness has nothing to do with the food I ate. High time. Means it's already late, should have been done earlier, urgent. It's high time you cleaned your room. You should have done it earlier. It's high time the government took action. Delay already, must act now. In accordance with. Means in agreement with. According to. The company acted in accordance with the law. Students must behave in accordance with school rules. In no time. Means very quickly. Very soon. Don't worry, you'll finish this work in no time. The kids fell asleep in no time after playing all evening. In retrospect. Means looking back and thinking about the past. Often with a new understanding. In retrospect, I should have studied harder for the exam. In retrospect, the decision to move abroad was the best choice. In spite of. Even though something happened, it didn't stop another thing from happening. 1. She went to work in spite of being sick. 2. They played cricket in spite of the heavy rain. In the long run. Means after a long time. In the future. Finally, eventually. Studying hard will help you succeed in the long run. Smoking may cause serious health problems in the long run. In time. Has two common meanings. 1. Early enough. Before it's too late. We reached the station just in time to catch the train. Before it left. 2. Eventually. After some time passes. You'll understand the truth in time. After some time. Keep one's fingers crossed means to hope for good luck or a successful result. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I pass the exam. Hoping for luck. She's going for a job interview tomorrow, so let's keep our fingers crossed for her. Hope she gets it. Keep one's word. Means to do what you promised. To be truthful to your commitment. He said he would help me, and he kept his word. Always keep your word, because trust is built on promises. Keep track of means to follow, monitor, or remember information about something. It's hard to keep track of all my expenses. Teachers must keep track of students' progress.